Salt Lemonade. Stop migraine fast. Few things can ruin your morning quite like an intense migraine. The nausea, sensitivity to light and pulsating pain can make it hard to function, let alone thrive. It may seem like migraine pop up without warning or cause. In reality, though, migraines are often the result of a nutrient deficiency. Research has confirmed this. In a review of the research, doctors discovered that patients suffering from frequent migraines were more likely to have low level of these nutrients: vitamin D, vitamin B2, folate, Q10, a coenzyme preparation. Begin by adding the lemon juice and salt into the 8 ounces of water. Stir this mixture well until it becomes uniform. After that, add the honey to sweeten it. You can also consider leaving the honey out if you don't mind having a slightly sour tasting drink. It's not a main active ingredient in this lemonade. Finished making the drink, consume it immediately. Follow it up with a glass of water. You will want to repeat this process every 10 minutes within a half hour, so 3 cycles. Your migraine should be gone. Of course, this recipe is made with the average person in mind. If your migraine is especially severe, feel free to continue drinking the Himalayan Salt Lemonade until you feel better. Lemon juice. Of course, the lemon juice in the Himalayan Salt Lemonade is not just for flavor. Also help reduce inflammation and swelling. This is great not only for people suffering from conditions like arthritis, it's also great for migraine sufferers. Migraines are in fact the only type of headache that appears linked to inflammation. Lemon water will also help reduce stress, another major contributor to migraine. It will also have the effect of brightening your mood, making it easier to get through the day.